In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket template. Ticket templates are a great way to save time, keep your support team consistent, and reduce mistakes. Instead of typing the same subjects, descriptions, and settings over and over, you can pre-fill them once and apply them with a single click whenever you create a ticket. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can set one up quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the admin area from the left sidebar. This is where all your configuration options live. Once you're an admin, scroll until you find the section labeled Agent Productivity. This section groups together tools that streamline agent workflows, and ticket templates are part of that toolbox. Click on Ticket Templates to open the Templates dashboard. Here you'll see any templates that already exist and controls to add new ones. To create a fresh template, click New Template. This opens a blank form where you'll define what gets pre-filled. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive template name. Think about how your team will find and recognize it later. For example, include the use case or queue in the name so it's obvious when to use it. Next, index. Add the details you want to pre-fill. Set a subject that agents can recognize at a glance. In the description, include helpful starter text or a checklist that guides consistent data entry. You can always encourage agents to customize it per ticket. Choose a priority that reflects typical urgency for this scenario and set the status you want new tickets to start with, such as open or pending. If tickets of this type always belong to a specific team, select the appropriate group or even pre-assign to a particular agent when handoffs are known. These defaults help reduce routing delays and ensure tickets land in the right place immediately. Now decide who can use this template. If it's a personal workflow aid, choose Myself. If you want everyone to benefit from the same standardized starting point, choose All Agents. If the template is specific to a single team's process, select Agents and Group so only that group sees and uses it. Picking the right audience keeps your template list clean and relevant. When everything looks good, click Save to create the ticket template. That's it. Your template is now ready. The next time you're creating a ticket, you can apply it to instantly load your chosen subject, description, priority, status, and assignment, ensuring faster, more consistent support every time.